Hello, Coolers. Welcome back to another detailed Camp Nou update. And honestly, today is going to be very exciting. Construction at Spotify Camp Nou is moving ahead steadily, but this visit revealed something completely unexpected. Most people thought the biggest structural moments were already behind us. The super pillars, the cantilevers, and the main stadium skeleton. However, a tower crane lifted the largest single structural piece we've seen on site so far, and it didn't go perfectly as planned. Today, we'll take a full lap around the stadium, the South Goal, Diamond Entrance, North Goal, Tribune area, and the corner sections, because progress is visible in almost every zone. The South Goal continues to advance faster than many expected. A week ago, the third tier of prefabricated seating still looked far from complete, but the installation pace has been impressive. Stand after stand has been placed, and only a small section remains. The structural shell could be finished very soon. The seats will come later along with the roof, but the main framework of this tier is now nearly complete. The diamond entrance has transformed remarkably in just a couple of days. Earlier in the week, none of the three large glass panels above the main entrance were installed. Workers continue above the glass, installing frames and finishing the structure. The entrance doors still need to be added, but visually the area is already much closer to its final design. Earlier this week, there were concerns that the Lamas, the slats forming the false ceiling, were moving too slowly. By Saturday, the left side had almost reached the back wall near the structural pillars, while the right side still has a short section left, and the corner area has not started yet. The earlier slowdown had a clear reason. The black support beams needed to be painted first. Now that painting is progressing, the Lamas are being installed much faster. The most dramatic moment of the visit came with the lifting of a massive riostra beam. This structural brace is the largest single component lifted on site so far, and it looks even bigger in person than on camera. The crane successfully held the piece in position on the front facade while alignment checks were made, but it had to be lowered again because something didn't fit perfectly. With a structure this large, even a tiny misalignment can stop the installation. Work in the North Goal area is focused on preparation and detailing. Anchor points are installed across most of the section, but some areas still need additional anchors. At the same time, crews are continuing metalwork along the cantilever, installing rods and structural elements piece by piece using elevated platforms. Concrete panels are staged nearby, but installation has not started yet because some preparation work still needs to be finished first. In the Tribune area, sandwich panels continue going up along the lateral structure. Interestingly, crews are working from the top down instead of the usual bottom-up method. A structural frame is already complete on the right side, and concrete pumping is active on the lower floors. Workers are also applying protective coating to beams and bolts, which is necessary before the next layers of construction can begin. The corner sections are entering a cleanup and finishing stage. Construction materials are being removed while crews focus on completing the remaining structural connections. Most major supports have already been installed from the outer section toward the interior, but some brackets and connecting angles still need to be added to tie the supports to the main pillars. Red pipes can also be seen across parts of the front section, likely part of the stadium's fire safety water system. This week at Spotify Camp Nou highlighted several important developments. The third tier in the South Goal is almost complete, showing rapid progress in that section. At the diamond entrance, the installation of the large glass panels has changed the facade dramatically. Finally, the massive riostra beam was lifted in the largest crane operation so far, though further adjustment is still needed. Step by step, the stadium continues coming together. If you enjoyed this update, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more behind-the-scenes stadium progress.